Hello, my name's Jorge Andrés Pérez Correa. Avengers Endgame. Iron Man and Nora appeared as the only survivors of the dimension. After 5 years, they looked for how to resuscitate. How that adverse appeared. Population traveled to train to collect infinity gems. In the finish, an epic fight eastward, with the Resurrector, Avenger, Engard's Thanos' his army, appearing in life on their friends or friends. Mainly, Fiends and afford the death of Iron Man is related to the search for train gears to improve the world's lest the Iron Man not sacrifice himself and the Black will not die. Thank you.